So the first exercise we're looking at is the Mackenzie press up. The benefits of the Mackenzie press up is going to open up all the muscles on the front of your body. So your abs, your chest, and also your neck, the muscles that get tight when you sit down for long periods of time. Also, you're getting a nice bit of extension through the middle and the back of the spine, opening that position up, the opposite position to when you sit down. It's very important during this movement that you take your time with it, a nice slow tempo, and also deep breaths in during the downward phase, deep breaths out as you go upwards. So the next exercise we're looking at is the neck roll. So you're going to be laying on your back, preferably with something underneath your head, whether it's a pillow or just a soft mat, and putting light pressure onto the back of your head. You're going to roll your head side to side. The benefit of this exercise is it's waking up and activating all the muscles through the back of your neck, the ones that have been overstretched while you're sat on those horrible Zoom meetings. The final exercise we're looking at is the hip bridge, modelled very nicely by Craig here, the head trainer at Truth. He is showing you the single leg version, also a slightly easier version, which is you'd have both feet on the floor. That makes it slightly simpler for people that want to have a modified version. The benefit of this exercise is to start waking up and activating the glutes. Again, because you've been sitting down for a long period of time during the day, this is one of the muscles that will switch off and start to give you back and neck pain. Nice and controlled, deep breaths in and out on the way up.